Next up, got this Denon receiver. It's got some gold-plated connectors, RCA connectors there, and on the phone jack, headphone jack. So that's definitely promising. All right. Let's see what we see. See some nice ICs. And these look like HDMI connectors. They got some gold fingers on them. It's hard to see there, but I could see that from the even from the outside. Wow, that's a nice big transformer there. No gold plating on any of the boards that I could see, but we'll keep going. Usual suspects.
Give me the fucking keys, you sucker motherfucker!
Knock it off. Get
Some
back.
buttons. Capacitors. And I guess these displays have something in them. What was it? Indium? I don't know. Just basing that off of one video I saw, which I'll tend to do. I think it was Moose Scrapper said something about these. Something being in there that's should become more in highly demand and make it worth recovering out of there. So save that. Every time. It's like, what? There we go. Okay. Oh, you know what? There's actually a little bit of gold plating on this, on the top of this board. I don't know what's underneath. Let's find out together, huh? About the same. There's a little piece there. Not bad. Like I said, there's gold fingers on these what look like HDMI connections. And I mean, this looks like a mid-grade board to me, but I'm not by any means a expert. Hey. Oh. Because I missed one damn screw earlier. Gold on those pins. Not much there, just like the last board. No gold plating. know you want to come out. All right. Okay. Look at all those. You got a big old one over there. Some orange capacitors. Some nice copper. Green. Bunch of green capacitors. Oh. This bunch of small little brown capacitors. These little dial-y things there. I'm guessing those have probably some silver in them. Anybody see anything else on here I should know about? Yeah, like you tell me. That's a big transformer. I wouldn't expect to see a guy this big in a modern receiver like that. It's got a lot of nice copper in it. But before I take that apart, I'm gonna see if that's not worth more than the copper in it. Aluminum. Aluminum. Is that all aluminum? Yeah, I think it is. Something, something. I don't know. What do you want from me, people? Am I here to entertain you? Yes. He said anus. All right, day one. I'll be back tomorrow.